Hey brother, so have you ever been cutting your grass and it doesn't matter which way you go, but you're always blowing grass clippings where you don't want them to? Well, they make these fancy chute blockers for your mowers that flip down, up, whatever, and to block it off when you're doing that kind of thing. But they get awfully pricey. They range from 250 bucks, 300-400 bucks. So I'll show you how I made mine with just the block off plate and the parts that are already on the mower and a couple bolts. So stay with me, I'll show you how I did it. Alright, so I already got the hinge from the chute. I took the chute off and I still got the hinge here. So you can see there's a couple holes. We'll see how they line up with the mulch plate. So some mulch plate. Let's set this up here and see how it goes. There's a hole in there already. Let me get this in here. So I'll have to drill out 3 holes. I'm going to drill one right in the center there using that hole that's already there. I'm going to drill through both plates on the side there and there. And then I'll have to drill a hole here to the hold my rope or whatever I'm going to use to pull it up. I just took a marker, marked it all out. We'll do a little pilot hole just to get it started. And here I got a 7/16 drill bit, drill about halfway through. And then I flipped it up to finish the holes out. Alright, let's throw this mulch plate back up here and see how it looks. Now with that shifted over there, that hole that I drilled to the right actually lines up on the mulch plate with the hole in the mulch plate, so I won't have to drill through there. But the other 2 holes, that center hole and the one to the left, I'm gonna have to drill out. So I'll just take the drill bit again and mark where the holes are gonna go in the mulch plate. I throw it on the vise and drill them out the rest of the way. And over here, we'll just attach it with a bolt and a washer and a nut on the other side. Use the impact just to tighten it up because I'm lazy. It's a little quicker than using a socket or a wrench. And here you can see it flips. And down, just pretty even across the bottom. Lined up perfectly. Just gonna drill a hole to use a rope or a bungee cord. Use a pilot hole, then I drilled this with a 3/16. Set a bungee cord through here. A bungee cord here. Stuck it through that loop. And I took it and I wrapped it around the roll cage and then zip tied it to the roll cage. And then when I flip it up, I can just throw it right there around the throttle. It stays up out of